AFC कप अंडर 16 फुटबॉल सर्त गोंयांत सप्टेंबरांत जातली. ब्रेस्तारा एका खासा सुवाळ्यांत ड्रॉ जालो. 4 गटांनी 16 राष्ट्रांच्यो फुटबॉल टीमी खेळटल्यो. भारत ए ग्रुपान पडला. सर्त 15 सप्टेंबर ते 2 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन चलतली. फायनल 2 ऑक्टोबराक फातोड्डे जातली. बेस्ट फोर फिफाचे अंडर 17 कपाक सिलेक्ट जातले. 15 दिसांच्या टुर्नामेंटात 34 गेमी गोंयकारांक पळोवंक मेळटल्यो.
Japan qualified as group winner of Group K and quarterfinalist in 2012 AFC Under 16 Championship. Malaysia, Uzbekistan qualified as Group A winner and champion in 2012. India, host country of AFC Under 16 Championship 2016.
Nations, delegates from AFC, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you to the draw of the AFC Under 16 Championship to be held in Goa in September 2016. For us, it's a great honor and pleasure to be hosting this tournament, and I'm sure the football-loving people of Goa would welcome such a tournament. It is a preparation for our Under 17 World Cup, which India will be hosting in 2017, and so we look to this tournament as a great precursor to the Under 17 World Cup.
Football particularly is in the blood of Goans, and therefore whenever football is in the blood, sugar disappears. He is not diabetic. Now we have an opportunity to host AFC Under 16, for which today we are taking a draw, and the best four would be selected for FIFA Under 17 from the side of the government or on behalf of the state. I welcome you all for this event, and I assure you all that we will do best.
वास्को टिळक स्टेडियमार चालू आशिल्ली AFIFF यूथ कप सर्त कोरिया रिपब्लीक जिखले. कोरियन USAक 2-1 मारले. दुसरे वटेन तांझानियान मलेशियाक 3-0 मारून तिसरी सुवात जोडली. अंडर 17 वर्ल्ड कपाचो येजमान भारत हे सर्तीत एकूय मॅच जिखूंक नाशिल्ल्यान निमणे सुवातेर उरलो. हे खबरांचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंटच्या वेबसायटीरूय लाव पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.